Welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to teach some home remedies for people who are suffering from headaches. If you are looking for ways to boost your physical fitness and overall well-being, you have come to the right place. So let's get started. Certainly. Here are 10 different home remedies utilizing peppermint oil for headaches. Peppermint oil temple massage. 1. Mix 1 to 2 drops of peppermint oil with a teaspoon of carrier oil, e.g., coconut oil. 2. Gently massage the mixture onto your temples in a circular motion for a few minutes. 3. Take slow, deep breaths and allow the cooling sensation of the oil to ease your headache. Peppermint oil and eucalyptus steam inhalation. 1. Boil a pot of water and remove it from the heat. 2. Add 3 to 5 drops each of peppermint oil and eucalyptus oil to the hot water. 3. Lean over the pot, covering your head with a towel. 4. And inhale the steam deeply for 5 to 10 minutes. 5. The combination of peppermint and eucalyptus oils can provide a soothing effect for headaches. Peppermint oil and lavender bath. 1. Add 5 to 7 drops each of peppermint oil and lavender oil to your warm bath water. 2. Soak in the bath for 15 to 20 minutes. 3. Allowing the oils to relax your body and alleviate your headache. 4. Ensure that the oils are well dispersed in the water before entering the bath. Peppermint oil scalp massage. 1. Mix a few drops of peppermint oil with your regular shampoo or conditioner. 2. Massage the mixture onto your scalp for a few minutes. 3. Focusing on areas of tension. 4. Rinse thoroughly, and the cooling effect of the peppermint oil may help relieve your headache. Peppermint oil cold compress. 1. Add 3 to 5 drops of peppermint oil to a small bowl of cold water. 2. Soak a clean cloth or towel in the mixture. 3. Wring out the excess liquid. 4. And apply the compress to your forehead or the back of your neck. 5. Reapply as needed, refreshing the cold water and oil mixture if necessary. Peppermint oil inhalation blend. 1. Mix 2 drops of peppermint oil, 2 drops of lavender oil. 2. And 2 drops of rosemary oil in a small bowl. 3. Inhale the aroma from the bowl for a few minutes, taking slow, deep breaths. 4. This inhalation blend may help relieve tension and reduce headache symptoms. Peppermint oil neck and shoulder massage. 1. Dilute 3 to 5 drops of peppermint oil in a tablespoon of carrier oil, e.g., sweet almond oil. 2. Apply the mixture to your neck and shoulders. 3. Gently massage the area using upward strokes and circular motions to release tension and ease your headache. Peppermint oil and chamomile tea. 1. Brew a cup of chamomile tea according to the package instructions. 2. Add 1 to 2 drops of peppermint oil to the tea and stir well. 3. Sip the warm tea slowly. 4. Allowing the combination of chamomile and peppermint to relax you and reduce headache discomfort. Peppermint oil and frankincense diffusion. 1. Add 3 to 5 drops each of peppermint oil and frankincense oil to a diffuser filled with water. 2. Turn on the diffuser and let it fill the room with the aroma. 3. Sit or lie down in the room and inhale deeply to experience the potential headache-relieving benefits. Peppermint oil and lemon balm herbal tea. 1. Brew a cup of lemon balm herbal tea using dried lemon balm leaves. 2. Add 1 to 2 drops of peppermint oil to the tea and stir well. 3. Enjoy the warm tea while inhaling the fragrance and allowing the soothing properties of the lemon balm and peppermint to work together on your headache. Thank you for watching. And please hit the subscribe button. If this video helps you, don't forget to like it and share it with your friends.